So the purpose of the program is to extend access to our community college students in the Valley that are interested in medicine. For so long, that population's been overlooked, and we really want to help build the bridge, if you will, to those resources and access. We're in our first spring semester, so really in the first year of the program, but we've enrolled 2 cohorts so far. Really excited about that. We have a ton on the docket for spring. We've increased our in-person offerings, like today we have our simulation day at UCSF Fresno, and we've also increased our virtual offerings. So we have one of each per month, so students have a variety of opportunities to engage with the resources and access that we're providing.
I think hands-on is really what is like a foundation for getting like the best education that you can, because with the hands-on experience you can really get to know like if this is something you really want to do.
And we have a very, very dedicated team that is slowly growing, and it's all hands on deck. So we do our best to make sure our students have that warm first touch between our coordinators, and then leadership is doing everything they can to make all of our programs and resources accessible and high yield. We try to eliminate as many barriers as possible to get into SJV MedBridge. So some of the qualifications include an interest in medicine, have completed 12 units so far in a local community college within the San Joaquin Valley, and then students should not have a previous bachelor's degree. So this is purely for community college students. So if you're interested, this is a great opportunity just for you to get access and resources, as well as plenty of connections to other students that are all along the same journey. We're really passionate about building that network and creating that cohort feel and sense of belonging.
Definitely grateful for the program, especially for the opportunity to even be in the program, because being someone who's little not the traditional student, and then also being like the first person to pursue being a doctor in my family and being one of the first like generations of my family to go to college and everything, is really something special. Being minority as well, seeing that this is a great opportunity for me to actually see my dream like come true.